Hi, I'm Morgan. I'm an interior designer and this is our home renovation project. I live here with my partner Danny, my stepdaughter, our 2 dogs, Ralph and Milo, and our 2 cats, Mally and Cooper. Right now, I'm sitting in what will soon become my home office for my interior design business, Beak Studio. We bought this house back in August 2024, knowing that one day we wanted to completely transform it, removing the roof, building an entirely new first floor, and turning it into a 4-bedroom family home while keeping all of the living spaces downstairs. But when we first moved in, we made a really conscious decision not to rush straight into the renovating. Partly because we needed time to save and plan properly, but mostly because we wanted to actually live here first. We wanted to understand the house before changing everything about it, and we ended up doing exactly that for over a year. That time completely changed the way we approached the renovation. We started to understand how the light moved through the house during the day, which spaces we naturally gravitated towards, and which parts of the layout just didn't work for the way we lived. During that first year, we also worked closely with one of my friends, Joe, from SK Architecture, an incredibly talented architect, to redesign the house and submit plans for planning approval. And not long after that, the renovation officially began. Since then, we've been documenting the process whenever we can, usually after work, in the evenings and on weekends. We both still work full time and we're trying to do as much of the renovation ourselves as possible. And I think that's what I really want these videos to be. Not a perfect renovation channel, just an honest reflection of what it actually looks like to slowly redesign and renovate a home over time. So before we catch up to where the project's up to now, I'm going to take you back to the very beginning in October 2025 when the renovation first started.
To give you some context of where the utility is, it's here at the back of the house, located just behind our existing garage. Here's our existing layout. When you enter through the front door, you're straight into the hall. To the right is the lounge. Behind the lounge, overlooking the garden, is 1 bedroom. Next to that is the dining room out to the garden with the kitchen behind, a small bathroom, and then to the left of the front door is the 2nd bedroom. You then walk through the 2nd bedroom to access the link between the main bungalow and the garage. There's been a shower room added at the back of the garage and a lean-to utility outside. So that's the lean-to fully demolished. I wanted to show you the space we have behind this area, the single garage. We've already cleared everything out in here and taken it right back to bare brick. And through the walkway connecting the bungalow and the garage, Danny's dug out for the electricity board and electrician to come and move all the existing electrics into the external meter boxes at the front of the house, which means we can finally separate the garage from the house properly.
it.
Stupid.
And by the end of the day, the utility lean-to is completely gone. We are now going to be turning our attention to the garage roof.
Don't show him my work, will you? Bloody hell.
This is the new one.
Yeah. Very nice materials, bud.
Zoom in on that earth he's just
Yeah,
Look at that.
nice new earth.